Welcome to Black Children's Books Read Aloud. Welcome to Black Children's Books Read Aloud. I'm Mrs. 3D. Before we get started, make sure you take a second and hit that like button and subscribe. Today, we have the pleasure of reading I Live With My Daddy, Not My Mommy by Umeka Jones and Umaya Jones Watson. This book is about a young girl named Riley who lives with her daddy and not her mommy. Make sure you grab your copy if you have it. Get ready to read with me in 3, 2, 1. I Live With My Daddy, Not My Mommy. Written by Umeka S. Jones and Umaya Jones Watson. Hi, my name is Riley. I live with my daddy, not my mommy. Living with my daddy is fun and cool. He takes care of me and makes sure I'm safe and happy. Today, we're going bike riding at the park. After having fun at the park with my daddy, he's going to take me to visit my mommy at the family center. The family center is a safe place for families to meet and spend time with each other. The family center also helps family relationships get stronger. We are now off to the family center. While driving and listening to music, we laugh and sing lots of songs together. My daddy loves singing. We're almost at the family center and I'm excited to see my mommy. I'm finally here and I see my mommy in the family room. I run to her and give her a big hug. The family room has so many fun things for us to do. While visiting my mommy, we read books and play table games together. Now, it's time to leave and go home with my daddy. I had a lot of fun with my mommy today. I can't wait to see her during our next visit. Even though I live with my daddy and not my mommy, I know my parents both love me the same. Most kids live with their mommy or both parents, but living with my daddy isn't bad. He's my super dad. Wasn't it amazing that Riley realized that no matter who she lived with, her parents loved her just the same? I really hope you enjoyed today's story and will join me again next week. Make sure you take a second and hit that like button and subscribe, but most importantly, please support the author by purchasing their book. Until next time, bye!